Hey, Crash Course fans! Ever feel like writing emails and social media posts takes forever? We've all been there. But guess what? AI can help. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like having a super smart writing assistant. It's getting more common every day. Think of it as a helpful friend who can write amazing emails and posts for you fast. In this video, we'll explore how AI can supercharge your writing. We'll check out cool tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT. Get ready to become an email and social media master. Okay, so how does AI actually work for writing? Imagine feeding a computer program a ton of text, like a lot of text. The AI learns from all those words and phrases. Then when you need to write something, the AI uses its knowledge to help you out. It can suggest words, fix grammar mistakes, and even generate whole paragraphs for you. Think of it like this. You give the AI some keywords or ideas, and it uses its brain power to create awesome content for you. Pretty cool, right? Let's talk about Grammarly. You might have heard of it. It's like a super-powered spell checker that catches all those pesky typos and grammatical errors. But Grammarly does so much more. It can also help you improve your writing style. It suggests better word choices, flags sentences that are too long, and even checks for plagiarism. Using Grammarly is super easy. You can add it as an extension to your web browser or download the app. Then, just start writing. Grammarly will work its magic in the background, making sure your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. Section 4. ChatGPT, your AI brainstorming buddy. Now, let's meet ChatGPT. This AI tool is a bit different from the rest. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who can help you come up with creative ideas and write different kinds of content. Whether you're looking to write a funny tweet, draft a professional email, or even create a poem, script, or code, ChatGPT has got your back. Let's dive deeper into how you can make the most out of this incredible tool. Imagine you're stuck on a project and need a fresh perspective. ChatGPT can be your go-to resource for brainstorming sessions. Just type in a prompt or question and watch as it generates multiple ideas and solutions. It's like having a creative partner available 24/7. For instance, if you're working on a marketing campaign and need catchy slogans, ChatGPT can provide you with a variety of options to choose from. It can also help you refine your ideas, making them more impactful and engaging. Want to write a funny tweet? ChatGPT can help. Simply type in your request, and it will generate witty and humorous tweets that are sure to get a laugh. It's perfect for spicing up your social media presence. Need to draft a professional email? ChatGPT's got your back. Whether it's a formal business proposal or a casual follow-up, it can help you craft the perfect message. Just provide a few details and let ChatGPT do the rest. You can even ask it to write poems, scripts, or even code. Imagine having a tool that can assist you in writing a heartfelt poem for a loved one, a compelling script for a video project, or even lines of code for your next software development task. The possibilities are endless. To use ChatGPT, just type in a prompt or question. It's that simple. The more specific you are, the better the responses you'll get. For example, you could say, write a tweet about the importance of recycling. ChatGPT will then generate a few different options for you to choose from. You can review the suggestions and pick the one that best fits your needs. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your style and preferences. ChatGPT will then generate a few different options for you to choose from. Easy peasy. With ChatGPT, you can save time, boost your creativity, and enhance your productivity. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform the way you work and create? Section 5. Real-life AI magic from emails to tweets. Let's see some real-life examples of how AI can be used for writing. Imagine you need to write an email to your boss asking for a day off. You could use ChatGPT to generate a draft for you. Or, let's say you're running a small business and need to create engaging social media posts. Grammarly can help you make sure your posts are grammatically correct and easy to read. AI can even help you write things like website copy, blog posts, and even presentations. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Why you'll love using AI for writing. So why is using AI for writing such a game changer? Let's dive into the many reasons why incorporating AI into your writing process can revolutionize the way you work. First of all, it saves you a ton of time. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can generate content at lightning speed. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or creating content for your blog, AI can handle the heavy lifting. allowing you to focus on refining and perfecting your message. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, you can get a head start with AI-generated content. This means you can bypass the initial struggle of coming up with ideas and jump straight into the creative process. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Secondly, AI can help you improve the quality of your writing. With advanced algorithms, AI tools can analyze your text for grammar, punctuation, and style, ensuring that your writing is polished and professional. It can even adapt to your unique voice and tone, making your content more authentic and engaging. It catches those little mistakes you might miss and suggests ways to make your writing clearer and more engaging. This means fewer errors and more impactful communication, which is crucial whether you're writing for business, academia, or personal projects. Plus, using AI can help you overcome writer's block. We all know how frustrating it can be to feel stuck and unable to move forward with a piece of writing. AI can provide prompts, suggestions, and even full paragraphs to help you get past those creative roadblocks. If you're feeling stuck, just ask ChatGPT for some ideas, and you'll be back on track in no time. It's like having a creative collaborator who never runs out of inspiration. So, whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, AI can be an invaluable tool in your writing arsenal. Section 7. Unleash your inner wordsmith with AI. In today's fast-paced digital world, writing has become an essential skill for everyone, from students to professionals. But what if you could enhance your writing abilities effortlessly? That's where AI comes in. And there you have it. AI writing tools are revolutionizing the way we approach writing tasks. Whether you're drafting an email, creating content for social media, or working on a report, AI can be your best ally. AI is like having a secret weapon for writing amazing emails, social media posts, and so much more. Imagine having a tool that not only corrects your grammar but also suggests better ways to phrase your sentences, making your writing more engaging and effective. It's like having a personal writing coach and brainstorming buddy all rolled into one. These tools can help you generate ideas, structure your thoughts, and even provide feedback on your writing style. So, what are you waiting for? The future of writing is here, and it's more accessible than ever. With AI, you can overcome writer's block, improve your productivity, and take your writing to the next level. Give AI tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT a try. These platforms are designed to assist you in various writing tasks, from correcting grammar and spelling to suggesting style improvements and generating content ideas. You might be surprised at how much they can help you unleash your inner wordsmith. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your writing skills and overall communication. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content on how AI is changing the world around us. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights into the fascinating world of AI. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the amazing possibilities that AI has to offer. Happy writing!